Quikirr takes messy income statements from Excel and turns them into cleaner, summary-ready workbook output. To use it, highlight the range in Excel, then click Confirm Selection. From there, Quikirr reads the structure, finds the key totals, groups the line items, and checks the output before anything is written back. Once processing is complete, the preview opens in the browser. This is where the statement can be reviewed before generating the final Excel tab. With the chat, you can make structural changes in bulk. In this example, Quikirr restructures the operating expense section into G&A, people, sales, and other OPEX. You can also click into the underlying line items and rebucket them manually when a more specific adjustment is needed. By clicking the Edit button at the top, you can select sections of the income statement and format the presentation to your liking. You can also rearrange the order of buckets within a section. Templates can then be applied to give the preview a workbook-ready style that aligns with your precedents. Once everything looks good, export back to Excel. Quikirr uses the finalized version and writes it into the workbook. Excel reflects the same reviewed structure, checks, formatting, and workbook-ready output from the preview. The Excel output stays traceable. Click into a number and the formula points back to the source workbook. Quikirr also includes a checks section at the bottom for verification, so the final output is clean, reviewable, and still tied back to the source.